Hi guys, so today we're gonna do a challenge. Okay. So, just me and Mike ang toy man. Tapos na, magpakita ka. Okay. We are gonna name categories.
What's that? What's that?
And we're gonna say each word, okay? First one. Name a animal. Come on guys, this is so easy. Come on. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3,
Cat! Cat.
I was
Cat.
about to say dog.
Cat sa akin.
I was gonna say cat.
Cat. Cat.
Okay, that.
Name a
Name a house animal.
house animal.
Yung
Ano
pet
yun?
nyo.
Ay.
Guys, isa.
Wait lang. Okay.
If you don't get this right,
Yung dito. And
kahit ano. Isa guys.
name niya.
Hindi. Animal. Pet animal.
Yung name nila.
Hindi. Yung animal.
Ay. Natin.
Hindi. 1, 2, 3. Dog! Ikaw.
Dog. Cat.
Oh my God!
Lexa!
Okay. Name a country. Guys! If you don't make this right, I'm about to be super angry at me and you guys. So, 1, 2, 3.
Philippines!
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, pero parang di na mabubuhay ang Pilipinas dahil sa corruption.
One. Buntik ko na nasa Japan.
Next, name a hate country.
Ah?
Hate na country.
Okay, I know this.
Isa. 1, 2, 3.
China!
Hate mo na country.
Ay! Nakalimutan ko kasi yung word.
Love mo na country. Good.
Ah? Love.
Love mo na.
Love.
1, 2, 3.
Philippines!
2 in a row. That's good. Okay. Name your food. Because if you don't make this shot, I'm about to be angry. 1, 2, 3. Fish ball! I'm sorry. Yan. Next. Name your hate.
Hate na food?
Food.
Food. Wait lang. Hate na food.
5,
Ako na, ako meron ako. Ako.
4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3.
Burger!
Ikaw.
Vegetable. Burger. Ikaw?
Pansit.
Ah?
Pansit. Okay. Next. Name your favorite
Favorite?
food. 1,
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Corn chicken! Ikaw?
Fried chicken.
Nari. Corn beef. Nari. Okay. Ito. Name your hate na animal.
Oh! Hey. Okay. Wala. Wait lang, think ako. Okay, hate.
1, 2, 3.
Lion!
Ikaw.
Lion.
Ikaw.
Cow. Scared ka sa cow? Scared ka sa cow?
Pilipino ka! Ba't ka takot sa ating baka? Baka ka ata.
Sorry.
Na! Ako snake.
Ano?
Ba't mahit yung lion?
Hindi pa ako nakatakbo. Wala naman lion dito sa Pilipinas.
Meron?
Sino? Ako?
Name a strong group.
I know this.
Guys! Kung hindi nyo ito na-answer na right, strong group. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Guys, may anak ko. Shoo, 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 shoo. Na 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 na. Ocean ice. I'm scared. No 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 no.
Okay, game start.
This game started. Have idea. I see circle.
Your head is so slippery. Your head is so slippery.
Just see how we're gonna get it. Okay, everybody spread out your arms.
Hold on. Ang slippery ng kamay ni Krishna.
Oh, go.
I go.
I'm slippery.
Slippery.
1. Good, sit now. 1, 2, go. Spread out your arms.